guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today in this video I will be doing my very first slime video. So this is called slime plus squishy slime. So that's why it's called that way. It's because the little bits, it's the squishies. So I'm just gonna show things. Special thanks to my cousin Anya for making the slime. Alright, so let's just put this out, shall we? Alright, I have this wooden stick, guys. Look at that. It's very sticky now, but there's a hack for that. Comment down below if you want Carla to play slime on my channel, because she don't post on your channel anymore. She only has one video, but 6 subscribers. This is super stretchy. You might be wondering why I do not let my face be seen, because on 1,000 subscribers, if I get 1K, I will do a face reveal video. So that is Carla holding the camera. I do not really know how to play slime, because everything we want to try how to make slime with no glue or no borax, but every time we try, we also try JSH DIY thingies, slime making things, tutorials, they won't work. So this is so relaxing. Slime went viral a moment ago. Then squishy went viral. So, cousin put them all together. Equals slime and squishy. I do not know how to swirl, guys, so do not judge. It's not the thing that you can hear the click thing, like the poke. It's not the but I think you can hear it. It's super satisfying. Someone who don't know how to cook slime. They make it as a joke. It's a bubble. I don't know how to make bubbles on slime, but I will be making more slime videos. I'm sorry if I did not post yesterday, because I was just busy playing Raise a Family on Roblox. It's super cool. Look at the bits of slime. I mean, squishy. It's a pineapple squishy. It's now fast rising, but if the before is not fast rising, it's slower rising. Just to be satisfied. Look at this. It's super satisfying, isn't it, guys? Like, look at all these beads of the parts of this squishy. It turns into foam. Show your nails. This is my nails, and I'm only 10 years old. 10 and a half exactly. I'm just gonna roll this dough. Just kidding. It's super satisfying. This is not butter slime. This is just regular, not clicky slime. Look at that, guys. See? I did not know how to make slime before. Sorry if I keep moving it downwards when I show this. It's because I don't want to put it upwards because you might see my face and it's not part of this video. What I'm doing is where look. It's like a mochi. What if I eat slime? I eat slime. Comment down below if you want to see slime pet peeves. Because it's been super viral on YouTube now. Slime pet peeves. And then there's been a lot of videos where they're trying DIY tutorial thingy. And it didn't work for them. Even just Amira, Slimacorn 101, and other YouTubers. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed my first slime video ever.